I'm going to add a crosstab to this report. And for this crosstab, we'll just be looking into number of sales by my product dimension, the product attribute, this one here. I'll just produce a long list of all my products like this. But if we look a little bit closer into these products, we'll see that we got some Armani products, some Boss products, Boswell products, etc. Like this. But we don't really have any categories for those different brands in our data warehouse. So I'm going to use a user dimension for creating those product brand groups. From my tools menu, I can add a user dimension, a shared user dimension. And I'm going to call this one my product brands user dimension, like this. And then I'm going to add a number of members, one for each of my brands, to this user dimension. So I'm going to look into my product dimension, this one here. And of course, at this point, I could just select the 8 Armani products here. But then you will forever be seeing only those 8 Armani products. Any new products won't go into your crosstab if you do it like that. So instead of doing that, a static selection, I'll do a custom value or more dynamic selection. And this is by using the between operator, I'm actually setting up a range. I want to see all my members starting with Armani and ending with Armani, set. Like this. And that way I'm actually ensuring that all new Armani products will also go into this user dimension product member. So let's just rename it to Armani. Let's add another one here, the one for my Boss products. And it's in a very similar manner, custom value between operator and from Boss to Boss, set, like that. And so on. We'll be producing a total of 5 user dimension members. And let's just add the last one. The last one is for my Marlboro products. So it's a range from Marlboro to Marlboro, set. Like this. And give the member a proper title, Marlboro. So now we got those 5 members, use dimension members, Armani, Boss, Boswell, Levi's, and Marlboro, all been set up in the same way with a range using custom values. So let's save and close the shared dimension. Now for this crosstab, we should just redefine that and go over here to use dimensions to use the newly saved or designed product brands use dimension. I'll put it right there on top of the other dimension so we can see that we get proper product brand categories like this all the way down to Marlboro.